A full brand identity, logo system, fonts, color palette, vinyl sleeve, gig posters, merch, social campaign, and a video ad. That's a week of work from a freelancer and somewhere between $1,500 and $5,000, depending on who you hire. I tested whether one tool could do the whole thing in an afternoon. The brand, Static Bloom Records, an independent label releasing dream pop and shoegaze on limited-run vinyl. Bold, artistic, slightly nostalgic, deep purple, electric coral, bone white, built from nothing. Here's exactly what that looked like. Go to Lovart AI and sign in. Once you're in, look at the bottom left of the screen and click the skill icon. This opens the skills panel, and this is where the whole workflow starts. Select the branding category from the top tabs. You'll see two options that matter here: logo and branding, which generates logos plus merchandise collections for your brand, and logo design, which builds a full logo system from your brand name. I'm choosing logo and branding because I want the merch direction generated alongside the identity. Now enter the brand brief. I'll type, create a complete brand identity for Static Bloom Records, an independent music label releasing dream pop and shoegaze on limited run vinyl. Target audience, music collectors aged 20 to 35, vinyl buyers, indie music fans. Tone, bold, artistic, slightly nostalgic. Include logo direction, color palette, typography, and brand visual assets. Hit generate. What comes back isn't a single logo. It's a set of directions. Multiple logo concepts, a color palette, a typography direction, and a visual style and mood board. Click through them. The second logo direction has the strongest read, a condensed word mark with a subtle bloom motif. Works small on a vinyl spine and large on a poster. That's the one. Font generator is part of this same step, and I want to see typography options properly before committing. I'll ask Lovart directly. Generate 3 typography directions for Static Bloom Records. The fonts should feel bold and artistic and work across logo, social posts, and packaging. 3 directions come back, each shown in context. I'm evaluating them at both extremes. Will the display face hold up on a gig poster at a distance? And will the body text stay legible on a vinyl back cover at small size? The second direction hits both. A condensed grotesque with real personality for headlines, paired with a clean neutral face for track listings and credits. Selecting a font pairing that works across every application is genuinely a design skill that takes years. Lovart shows you the options visually, so you're choosing, not guessing. Now I export what we've built. Save the logo, the color palette, the typography direction, and the reference visuals as PNG or JPG files. This isn't a detour. These files are the direct input for the next step, which is where Lovart stops being an image generator and becomes a brand system. Click the Brand Kit icon on the left sidebar and hit Create Brand Kit. This panel is the center of everything that follows. Upload the logo file. Add the chosen typography direction under font. Input the color palette: deep purple, electric coral, bone white. Under design guidance, I'll describe the visual rules: grainy print texture, high contrast, generous negative space, bold type. Photography should feel like film stills, soft focus, slight halation, low light. Under photography, upload the visual style references from the skill generation. There's also a shortcut worth knowing. At the bottom, you'll see an option to upload your full brand book to autofill everything: PNG, JPG, or PDF up to 20 megabytes. If you already have brand guidelines, that populates the entire brand kit in one upload. For Static Bloom, we're building fresh, so manual setup is right. This step is the critical one. Every single thing I generate from here uses this brand kit as the foundation. That's what separates Lovart from a standard image generator. It's building a visual system, not producing random images that happen to look nice individually. Here's the part that changes the maths on this entire workflow. With Lovart's agent batch generation, I can create 8 to 10 consistent campaign assets in one go instead of making each design one by one. I'll brief it. Using the Static Bloom Records brand kit, batch generate 8 to 10 marketing assets including Instagram posts, story graphics, a vinyl sleeve design, gig poster, merch mockup, promotional banners, e-commerce visuals, and a website hero section. Hit generate and watch the canvas fill. The vinyl sleeve comes back with the word mark positioned correctly and that grainy print texture from the design guidance. The gig poster uses the display face at full weight with the coral against deep purple. The Instagram posts are different layouts but immediately read as the same label. The merch mock-up shows the logo on a tee in the right palette. The website hero uses the same photography treatment described in the brand kit. Every one of these is visually consistent because the brand kit is doing the work, and the platform actually supports generating over 100 assets at once. 8 to 10 is just what I need for this launch. This is a full campaign, generated in seconds, not a week of individual design requests. The gig poster is strong, but the headline copy is generic. Instead of regenerating the whole design, I click directly on the text layer on the canvas. It becomes editable right there. I retype it. Static Bloom Records, 3 nights, limited pressing, bring cash. Confirm. The text updates in place, while the layout, color, and imagery stay completely untouched. Same move on the Instagram post. Tap the CTA button text, change it, done. Then I'll reposition the price overlay on the e-commerce visual by dragging it. No regeneration, no waiting, no hoping the rest of the design survives the change. This is the moment that proves Lovart is interactive and practical rather than a one-shot generator. Step back and look at the full canvas now. Every asset from the batch generation is laid out together in Lovart's infinite workspace. This spatial view is genuinely useful. I can see the vinyl sleeve next to the gig poster next to the social posts and immediately judge whether the identity is holding across all of them. Anything inconsistent jumps out instantly when you're seeing the full set together rather than reviewing one file at a time. I can rearrange assets on the canvas, group them by campaign phase, and compare versions side by side. For a brand launch where everything needs to feel like it came from the same place, being able to see the whole system in one view before you export is what catches problems early. Last step. I'm selecting the strongest static asset from the canvas, the vinyl sleeve on a dark textured surface with side lighting. Click it and use video generation. Convert this Static Bloom Records marketing visual into a 10-second vertical video suitable for Instagram Reels or TikTok. Keep the same brand aesthetic and visual style. Slow camera drift across the sleeve, subtle dust particles catching the light, film grain. Generate, and the still becomes a moving clip. Same colors, same type treatment, same grain and halation from the brand kit photography direction. It maintains the brand identity completely, which proves the point. This is a complete creative workflow, not an image generator with a video button bolted on, ready to post as a reel, a TikTok, or a paid ad. No camera, no videographer, no location. Here's what we built in one session: brand assets through the skill function, typography through font generator, a full brand kit as the foundation, 8 to 10 consistent campaign assets through agent batch generation, targeted touch edits without regeneration, the full system reviewed on Canvas, and a vertical video ad from a still. That's everything an independent business needs to launch looking professional, built solo, without a design team. And this works for any business type: a local cafe, an Etsy seller, a skincare founder, a real estate agent, a creator launching a digital product. Same workflow, same result. Link to Lovart is in the description. Starting at $19 a month, no design experience required. If you're building a brand right now and doing it alone, this is the tool that makes professional output possible. Drop a comment telling me what business you'd build a brand for first. Subscribe for more tutorials on AI tools that actually change what's possible for independent creators and business owners.